As if getting arrested on a cruise ship wasn't bad enough, how about getting arrested on a cruise ship just a couple days before Christmas and getting arrested, well, because you tackled somebody else's kid? Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And look, today's moral of the story is, well, don't tackle other people's children when you are on a cruise ship, because that is exactly what happened to a 38-year-old mother from Minnesota, was sailing on the Carnival Conquest, arrived back on the 22nd of December, only to have police there waiting. And the special Christmas cuffs went on, and somebody unfortunately did get arrested, and she did go to jail. Now, according to the story, this started when her own kid, she was traveling with her sons, they had been in some kind of attack or altercation on board the ship, or, at one of the destinations. Never really specifies when and where her sons were attacked, other than she's saying that her sons were attacked. And as a parent, you know what? I completely get it. If I was on a ship and my kids came to me and said that they got attacked, hit, hurt, picked on, something by other kids, I'd be really pissed off too. So I get where she's coming from, but her reaction, got to ask the question, is she helping or is she hurting? Now, at the time, she was talking to security on board the ship, assuming she was reporting the incident with their kids, when she sees another group of kids run by. She just automatically assumes these are the kids involved, chases after them on her own, tackles one of them to the ground, grabs him by the collar before he manages to get up, get away, and run to a relative. The story goes on, and according to this kid, he wasn't involved. He didn't have anything to do with the attack on her kids. He just saw other kids running, so he was running too. Now, that may be true, that may not be true, but at least right now, and at least according to the story, there's a possibility she attacked an innocent kid. She tackled an innocent child, which that's going to get you in hot water. So, of course, naturally, the ship docks in Miami. She is arrested. She is taken to the correctional facility there in Miami, and a judge found probable cause to charge her with child abuse. So, yeah, not a really great Christmas for her and her family. Now, we don't have any other information. I don't know if she got out in time to go home. But what I do know is, look, if there's an incident on board a ship, you report it to personnel on board ship. You let security know. There are cameras everywhere on board those ships. They can review the tapes. They can see what happened. They can identify those involved in an incident. What you don't do, especially when you're involving children, I mean, don't do it with anybody, but especially with children, you don't just assume which ones are involved and then tackle them. Because whether you believe you're right, you're wrong, it's just not going to end well for you. So don't do it. And that's going to be our video today, and for tales of what not to do on your next cruise. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day, and like always, we will see you out on the high seas.